Mono's here again. Man, look at Mono. He got 10 already. 2020, where you can't forget your mask.
That shit happens a lot too.
Yeah.
Like at work, when we go to the stores.
It's like, I don't know.
Fuck, my mask! And I'm like already right there by the door and shit.
Alright, Mono, what are we doing?
We're gonna go put gas first. And then, we're going to Home Depot. Because it's Lou's birthday. We're gonna get him a little something.
Yeah, so it's Lou's birthday. Happy birthday. Anybody that wants to say happy birthday to Louis, I'll put his Instagram right here. Go say happy birthday to Louis. How old is he?
24?
24? Nah, he's not older than me.
25.
Nah.
He's 24. I'll be 26.
Well, he's somewhere around there, so I'll tell him happy birthday.
He's not your friend.
But yeah, we're gonna go to Home Depot, get something. We'll show you guys once we get there. Damn, these wood tops are better. But how much are they? Like 1,200? Alright guys, so we're getting this one with the wood top. It is $398. We're debating between this one and this one.
Think it's enough?
I think you're missing about like $2. There you go. Now you have
There
enough.
it goes. Oh, I'm back.
Alright guys, but we're gonna go back to Lo's house or Mono's house. Are we gonna surprise him or does he know or what?
No, he doesn't know.
He don't know? But I guess we're gonna try to surprise him. We're gonna try to unload it and then take all the stickers off and then get it all ready and everything and then try to tell him. So we'll see you guys at the house.
Come outside.
Happy birthday!
I do something.
I was just about to check the.
You already got my gift.
Oh, sorry. I've been sweating. I was watching cops.
It's right there.
A new truck? What am I supposed to do with that shit?
What?
Why you buying a tool bag? Y'all gonna mess it up?
That's a good one.
Bitch, you got your USB port.
You're the one that's gonna use it inside the garage.
The USB port?
That was pretty cheap, right?
Yeah. $1,000?
How much?
$1,000?
Wow.
Wow. You finally have a key though.
I have a key for that one too.
Well, you need to lock it.
No, if I can hold it. Oh, I can finally put my impacts in here.
Yeah. All your chargers.
The deals that I don't even have much for myself anymore.
Good thing my birthday's coming.
What's coming?
My birthday. Oh, what's happening here? Can I borrow it?
Oh, you can have my one.
Yeah.
Came with some nice mats. Husky for the husky boy.
Damn. Can I borrow it?
Oh, let you have it.
Oh.
You need stickers laying around? Or you need stickers now?
I got one.
It's gonna give it horsepower. Slap it on there. Oh, damn.
Alright guys, this is the truck that we did the can swap video on. One thing I'll tell you is it doesn't have the same motor. It's got a different motor. That motor that we did the can swap on took a shit. If y'all want to see a video on this truck, comment down below. We'll make a video of it.
It's not this. Where's it at? Right here.
It's not the 5.3 anymore.
No.
Alright, Lord. Happy birthday.
Appreciate it, guys.
I hope you like your gift. You know, I spent a lot of money. I mean,
You?
Mono did.
I swear it was someone else.
Bye.
Turned 41 years old today.
Damn.
I know I don't see it. I know y'all don't see it, but you know,
What do you use on
I
your
take
face?
care of myself.
Alright, everybody say happy birthday to Louis.
Thank you.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to wish Louis happy birthday. I'll put his Instagram here and on the link in the description below. Yeah, say happy birthday to him. his birthday's today, the 12th. I'm gonna try to upload this video today. Thanks to Mono. Lois has a YouTube. Good brother. Oh. Alright, but see you guys on the next video.